Jeremy, when you so we look at what multiples are right now, and I think implicit in accepting where stock prices are that the underlying E of the price to earnings multiple is going to hopefully snap back as we reopen, and therefore we don't really consider that these are quite as stretched. What if there are more than just bumps in the road on reopening? Would there be a day of reckoning? And phrasing it another way, do you think that the easiest gains in the stock market have already been made, and it's going to be tougher to advance from here if we don't see real progress in the underlying economy? The Fed can't help us forever.
Well, I mean, there's two great uncertainties. First of all, whether this latest wave is going to subside. I think it will, but we're going to have to see, with the death rates continuing to be very moderate or go down. And then, let's face it, Joe. Political uncertainty is definitely there for November, and that's a very important uncertainty of the market. So yeah, the easy gains have been made. If we can resolve, if we get continued progress and lower virus figures for the U.S., a resolution of the political uncertainty in November. And I am more talking about the Senate than the presidency at this particular point. In my opinion, I think the market would welcome a Republican-maintained Senate, even if there is a Biden presidency. I think that would be favorable for the market. But that is in question. And, you follow predictit.org as well as I do, and that is now slightly against the odds. So that uncertainty is a big one, because taxes, the tax cut, that corporate tax cuts are a major reason for a lot of the bull market since Trump was elected. If they're going to be reversed, that's a strong headwind. Now, in my opinion, the liquidity that's been thrown at this economy is probably going to be enough to offset that headwind. And, if it's a Democratic sweep, there's probably going to be more liquidity thrown at the economy. So I'm not bearish on stocks by any means, but clearly this is an uncertainty that faces the market.
We always talked about Jeremy Siegel and Dow 30,000. So we got close. You figure You figure that's not in the too distant future if things go as
I'll tell you, if the virus subsides, get some more therapeutics, get some more confidence in the economy, and if the Republicans can hold the Senate, we will see, I believe, Dow 30,000 by the end of the year.